In this video, I will show you how to use Canva with Claude. To connect Claude to Canva, at first you will have to go to claude.ai. You can see I am right now on Claude interface. Then you will open the settings by clicking this profile icon. Then go to settings and here you can see connectors. Using connectors, you can add Canva with Claude. So let me click these connectors and you can see all the connectors I am right now using. From here, if you want to add more connectors, you will click this add button, then browse connectors, or you can add custom connectors by clicking here. So let me browse connectors and here you can see there are lots of connectors available. You will simply search Canva here. Now you can see it's available. You can simply click this plus icon. Now we will have to allow the connection with Claude to Canva. So let me allow. Now you will see authorization successful and you can see connected to Canva. Okay. Canva is connected. How to use it? Okay. To use it here, you can see you will have plus icon. You will see connectors and here you can see Canva is available. Okay. You can simply click here to toggle on or off. Okay, fine. For example, let me just collect any image from Pinterest and see if Canva is working on Claude or not. So that's why here at first I will upload our image. For example, this is the image we wanna edit on Canva. Okay, then here you will click this plus icon, then connectors, add from Canva. You will just click here and choose either search design, Claude, outline, review design, generate designs with Claude, generate designs structured. I will choose any of it. For example, for this tutorial, let me generate designs with Claude. So this one will select it. And now here make this design, then click here. You can see it's generating the image right now. So you can see all of these images generated by the reference image. You can pick which one is closer. I will turn it into editable Canva format. So you can open and customize it. So see, you can simply click open in Canva or see others design. It's much better. You can see this version is also better. Here is the nearest editable design. You can just open any of it. So let me open this one in Canva and just open the link. You can see the design is available on Canva and right now you can edit your poster look. You can edit it as you need. Okay, you can just change the text, fonts, colors, branding and other stuff.